Hello, children. Happy day to all of you, my dear children. Greetings from Icon School of Excellence. I am Spandana here to teach you all General Science for Grade 3. I wish all of you are safe, doing good, and ready to learn through this virtual classroom. So, before I start my class, let us do a quick warm-up activity. I hope you remember the activities which we have taught you in your bridge course. So today we'll be doing finger breathing technique. Are you ready, children? Yes. How we have to do? Do you remember this technique? I will tell you one more time. I will explain. Listen carefully now. So you have to place your palm in front of you and trace your finger to the upward direction. That time you will inhale and then hold for a while. You hold your breath for a while. Okay. And when you're tracing down, you need to exhale. And again, while tracing upward direction, you have to inhale, hold for a while, and then exhale. Shall we do it 2 times? Are you ready? Let's start. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Again, inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. 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 Okay, all right. Children, do you know the benefits of breathing techniques? Why are we doing this? Okay, let me explain. So, breathing techniques helps you to remain calm and helps to control your emotions. And you know, it sharpens your ability to focus and learn. Is it okay? That's good. So before going to start, just have a look at this picture and answer a question. Okay. What do we all do when we tired or exhausted? Think about the answer. What do we all do when we tired or exhausted? Yes, you're right. We eat. What do we eat? Food. Yes. What is food now? Food is nothing but something that we eat or drink to stay alive. What is food? Food is nothing but something that we eat or drink to stay alive. So today I'm going to explain you an interesting topic, that is the food we eat. What is today's topic, children? The food we eat. So do you know, after air and water, food is the most important thing for us to survive. After air and water, food is the most important thing for us to survive. All the living beings need food to live. Example, plants and animals, and also human beings to stay alive, to grow and to get energy. Right? So plants prepare their own food while animals hunt for it. So these are different types of food, right? And now look at these pictures. Just as petrol gives energy to the car to help it move, food that we eat gives us energy to carry out our work. Okay, so petrol gives energy to the car, right, to help it move. In the same way, the food that we eat gives us energy to carry out our work. As petrol is to car, food is to human body. Okay, so now why do we need food? Yes, food helps us to remain healthy and keeps sickness away. Food helps us, it helps us to give energy for growth and for health. Is it clear? Why do we need food? We need food for energy to do our work. We need food for growth. We need food for our health. All living things need food for their growth and good health. Plants prepare, as I said, plants prepare their own food while animals hunt for it. Man eats, vegetables, fruits, and nuts obtained from plants by the raw and cooked. And man also eats animal products such as meat, milk, eggs. Okay, different types of foods we used to eat. It's good. Next, let's see. So apart from the breakfast, one second. Apart from breakfast, we must have two different meals during the day, right? So what is that? Lunch and dinner. Okay. Morning we used to have breakfast, and apart from this we used to have lunch and dinner. So why does the body need different kinds of food? Do you know? Why does body need different kinds of food, or why do we eat different types of food? First of all, food contains a substance called nutrients. So the human body needs nutrients. We cannot get all the nutrients from few food items. So the nutrients that the body needs are present in different food items. We cannot get all the nutrients from a few food items. The nutrients that the body needs are present in different food items. That is why we should eat different types of food. Now let's see what are these nutrients. What are these nutrients? Nutrients are categorized into different types. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Can you repeat after me? Carbohydrates. Yes. Fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Let's see one by one. First we are going to see about carbohydrates. Our body works all the time. Even when you are asleep, your body is working. So the body needs energy to work. So these carbohydrates provide energy to the body. Okay, these carbohydrates provide energy to the body. Carbohydrates and fats gives energy to the body. So food items like rice, chapati, potato, idli and bananas are rich in carbohydrates. So what are carbohydrates, children? Energy giving nutrients. Carbohydrates are nothing but nutrients that provide energy to the body. What are the examples? Rice, chapati, potatoes, bananas. Is it okay? So from carbohydrates we can get energy, and this energy, by using this energy we can do our work. Carbohydrates and fats are energy giving nutrients. Okay, let's move on. Now let's see what are fats. Fats are also nothing but energy giving nutrients. So these are also the nutrients that provide energy to the body. So carbohydrates and fats are energy giving nutrients. Food such as butter, ghee, cheese, fatty meats and fish, these are the examples for fats. You know, small quantity of fat is needed by the body. Is it clear, children? We should not take, much amount of the fat items. Only small quantity of fat is needed by the body. Fats do provide energy to the body. Like as I said, carbohydrates provide energy to the body. In the same way, carbohydrates also provide energy to the body. So food rich in carbohydrates are bananas, potatoes, chapati and rice. And food rich in fats, ghee, butter, cheese, meat, etc. Okay. Now let's see what are proteins. So proteins are nothing but body building nutrients. What are proteins? Body building nutrients. So food obtained from plants such as peas, gram and beans contain proteins. Food items obtained from animals such as milk, eggs, fish, meat are also rich in proteins. These proteins helps the body to grow. Like I told you, carbohydrates and fats are energy giving nutrients. So proteins are body building nutrients. It helps us to grow. So what are proteins? Body building nutrients. Let's see the examples of proteins. And milk, eggs, meat, these are the examples for proteins, and these proteins helps the body to grow. When a person is sick or injured, some parts of the body get damaged, right? So these proteins help to repair the injured parts of the body. Proteins helps to repair the injured parts of the body. Now, vitamins and minerals. The human body needs vitamins and minerals to remain healthy. So, where do we get these vitamins and minerals? Fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, milk, fish, egg. These are rich in vitamins and minerals. So, you must eat fruits and vegetables regularly. Okay. Let me show you the slide again one more time. So, why do we need food? For energy and for growth and for health. So, carbohydrates and fats are energy giving nutrients. Okay, so to do our work, we need energy. These carbohydrates and fat gives us energy to do our work. And proteins. Proteins are nothing but body building nutrients. So it helps us to grow. And the food we eat from vitamins and minerals, these are the nutrients that gives health to our body. So carbohydrates, where these are all the nutrients that plays a major role, right? Okay, let's move on to next slide. So children, can you try to answer these questions? Let's see one by one. First one, find out and write what food items can be prepared from rice and wheat. Find out and write what food items can be prepared from rice and wheat. Means this rice and wheat, you have to take it as main ingredient. So for example, let me explain one example so that you can list out five examples you can list out from this. Okay, rice, like we can prepare biryani, and from wheat we can prepare rotis and all. So can you try to list out any 5 examples related to this question? Okay. Next one. Rice is rich in carbohydrates or proteins. Rice is rich in, yes, carbohydrates. Tomatoes and apples are rich in tomatoes and apples are rich in A, vitamins or fats? Yes, vitamins. So tomatoes and apples are rich in vitamins. Now it's time for activity. So before going to this activity, the things you need are apple, banana, mango, grapes, honey. So instead of these fruits, whatever the fruits you have at home, you can use all fruits along with honey. And now let's see what is the method. Step 1. You need to wash all the fruits and cut all the fruits into small pieces and remove the seeds. Okay, while cutting these all fruits, you have to be careful, children. Okay. And now step 2. Add a spoon of honey into that. Mix everything and enjoy. Okay. Will you do this activity at home? Very good. Okay. I hope you all found today's topic interesting, and I believe you were able to understand all that was discussed and explained. Children, importantly, I want all of you to revise what was taught on today's session at least twice. I look forward to see you in my next session and eager to bring you all interesting topics. Lots and lots of wishes to you for your health and safety from all of us at Icon School of Excellence. Happy learning. Thank you.